Hi, everybody. So, what I've decided to do for this lab is to give you guys a bit of an overview that I would give in class. I know a lot of people are virtual, people are coming into class late, they're having internet connectivity issues, and this might just be a nice overview of what it is that we're going to do today. Okay. So, this is the lab that you guys have, and you'll either have the United States, Nigeria, India, Guatemala, Germany, and China. Okay, so not everyone's going to have the same pyramid or the same country assigned to them. All right, and what you're going to do is you're going to you're going to calculate population, and you're going to create an age structure diagram from that, and then you're going to answer questions about your age structure diagram, and then everybody's together. So your country is going to have, it's going to be already up here, but just write it in again. Again, when you type anything in, the color is going to come up in that like bright blue color I've been doing. So make sure you read through this, numbers 1 through 7. And what you need to do before you do this is you need to complete the Power of the Pyramids Ed puzzle, which is a separate post in today's assignment. Okay. And that's going to give you a good overview of the data in the background, kind of. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to read through all these directions, and then you're going to come over to this data page. All right. So you have the United States, so it says United States here, and you have your age groups here from 0 to 4 all the way up to 75 plus. Okay. These are your males on this side. These are your females on the right side. So what you're going to do is you're going to calculate the percentage of the population in that individual cohort. So here it gives you the equation, number of individuals per gender per age group divided by total population times 100, which is going to give you a percent, which is the percentage of the gender per age group. Okay, people always ask, how many decimal places do I round to? You go up here, look at number 4. It says first calculate the percentage of the population, round to 2 decimal places. Whether you round up or down, it doesn't necessarily matter. Just do it consistently. All right. So for this, I just have it brought up on an online calculator. If you have like a TI, whatever it is, you should be able to program it in to just punch the number in and have it divide by that common denominator every single time. So here you have, 10 million divided by basically 326 million. That comes out to be 0.31. Remember, we have to multiply it by 100, and that gives us 3.156. So we're going to do 3.16. So we're going to come back over here and we're going to do 3.16, and that's percent. Okay. Once you have all of those filled in, or if you want to do it at the same time, but I think it's going to be easier just to fill it in. And it might be easier to open this up on 2 pages. I'm not exactly sure. It's going to be probably a bit of a pain for you either way. So 3.16% are males from 0 to 4. So we're going to go down to this pyramid page, and you look, it has the United States. It has these cohorts here on the side. And then on the bottom, we would be 0 to 4 males. And the percentage of the population is, I've forgotten, 3.16. So you're going to take this and you're going to highlight these. Okay, this would be 3.5, but we're closer to 3, so you're only going to highlight that. There is a half. I just can't show it. I'd have to put them in individually the way the Google Docs works. Go up to the background color. I'm going to make males orange. And now I have this. So I'm going to do this for all of this stuff. This is going to be tedious. It's probably going to take you the whole class block. You will have another whole block to do this, and then it'll be due the next day. So you'll have a nice chunk of time to do this. Doing this is going to take up the majority of your time. And then what you're going to do is you're going to answer questions about your population pyramid for your country. And then if you notice here, there are 6 graphs. Okay, and if you look, here's the United States right here. This is what your graph should ultimately look like. Okay, and then you're going to answer these questions that you're going to use all 6 of these graphs for. Okay, make sure that if it says explain, describe, if there are 2 parts of the question, you make sure that you do it. Okay, so this is going to be graded. It might be a whole quiz grade. Okay, so make sure I might spot check it. I might grade everything. It depends on a lot of different things. Okay, so that is your Power of the Pyramids lab overview.